Another way to select areas in Photoshop is by using the Lasso Tools, which gives us extra freedom to work and allows us to create freehand selections. You can access the Lasso tool either by clicking on its icon or by pressing the keyboard shortcut L. Now I will try to select the eye of the bird by clicking and dragging. As you can see, I can draw the selection the way I want, and then I will finish the selection by releasing the mouse button. Now let's select the polygonal lasso tool. And this time I only click once, and then I move the cursor to draw a line. And then I will click again, and then I will move it to the next point. And I will continue this until I finish my selection by double clicking. And this time we get a polygonal selection. I can cancel the selections by pressing Ctrl D. And I will switch back to the lasso tool and select the eyes of the bird. But this time I want to select everything outside the eyes, and I want the eyes to be deselected. So to do that, I will go to the select menu and choose the inverse command, which has a keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-Shift-I. And that will inverse my selection. So let's paint the selected area. And I will use the brush tool by pressing the B key. Then I will lower the opacity value to 40% and then paint the selected area. And now I will cancel the selection by pressing Ctrl D, and as you can see, the eyes remain untouched while other parts of the image are painted. And that is how we use lasso tools inside Photoshop.